Hi, I'm Dr. Vijay. I'm a eye surgeon by profession. I'm self-employed.
Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Chandani. I'm a cancer specialist practicing in South Mumbai.
Recently, last year, I should say, we purchased our first dream home in Mumbai. It was a dream come true at Monte South, Baikala. We were very excited about our new home, how it has to be done, and we were going through a list of interior designers.
We visited one of our friends' house at Oberoi, Mulund, and we were quite impressed about the way his interiors were done. He introduced us to ANS Design House at Hiranandani, Thane.
Working with Shivangi has been an exceptional experience. She brings fresh ideas. She has a true eye for luxury, blends trendy aesthetics with functionality and elegant design. Color palettes, textures, the furniture, everything was guided by her. What I should appreciate is she has that far sight what color or what texture will match with the entire home. My favorite area in our house is our living room and prayer room. I wanted it to be something ultra modern yet soothing so that I am able to spend some few more hours despite being having a busy schedule at work at home. It feels so soothing to be just relaxing at the home. The best part was the wall cladding, the marble wall cladding with veneer mural art of David. Those were the highlight of the living space.
My favorite place in our house is kids' room. The way the kids' room was designed, so in the same room, my kid can study comfortably as well as he can relax when he needs. One thing I noticed is that our house has started looking more spacious with the after the interiors are done. It looks quite bigger than what it appeared before the work started.
We wanted our master bedroom to be quite spacious, along with a king size bed, wardrobes, and everything, which has fit into our criteria after the redesigning done by Shivangi and her team.
The pastel colors used by the team and the fabrics used, they all made our master bedroom to look quite elegant and royal at the same time.
We highly recommend ANS Design House and Shivangi for anyone of our relatives or any acquaintances whosoever wants to get sophisticated and luxurious interiors done.